What up guys, welcome back to the channel. D-Max Pierce here with yet another video. So today we're going to be unboxing and installing yet another badass truck accessory. So stay tuned. The product we're installing today, you guessed it, Spiked Lug Nuts. So all you're going to need for this, an impact 19mm socket. Take the old lug nuts off. And then here's your new extra long socket for, like I said, the Spiked Lug Nuts. Alright, so we're not even going to jack it up or nothing. We're just going to take one lug nut out, put a new one in, and go all the way around. That way we don't have to jack up the truck and waste a bunch of time. So, first one out. So you're going to want to go in a star formation, just like normal. So don't take all of them out, obviously. I think 2 is fine. Alright, should probably tighten a few down. Careful not to scratch up the new lug nuts. This is a locking lug nut key as well. Alright, first wheel done, 3 more to go. Here's a close-up. It's kind of hard to see them, but comparison. Alright, we're on to the back wheels. I'm only going to film me doing 2 of them because it's the same thing on the other side. But I wanted to show you the back because if you have a BMF off-road center cap, send me a DM. I need 2 of them. So, take 4 off, 4 on, 4 off. It kind of looks pretty cool, only 4 on. Here we go. Okay guys, so we got all 4 wheels and tires done. Here's what they look like. Definitely make your truck look a lot more mean for super cheap. So thanks again for watching everybody. Make sure to subscribe, like that video, and leave a comment below with what you thought of this video or what I should do next. We'll see you guys in the next one.